The Supreme Court has upheld the election of Evans Kidero as Nairobi Governor after nullifying the appellate court's decision. Presiding Judge Philip Tunoi, who issued the ruling this afternoon, explained that the appeal was filed 72 days after the High Court rendered its judgment and was therefore time-barred.
The decision of the Court of Appeal delivered on 13 May 2014 is hereby annulled. The judgment of the High Court dated 10th September 2013 is hereby reinstated. For the avoidance of doubt, we reaffirm the status of the first appellant, that is Evans Kidero, as the duly elected governor of Nairobi County, as declared by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission on 7 March 2013 and as published in Kenya Gazette number 3155 of 13 March 2013.
Justice Njoki Ndung'u has, however, rendered a concurring opinion disagreeing with her colleague's position that the Court of Appeal erred when it allowed Waititi's petition.
For many years, the courts were part of the problems impeding electoral justice, where potential petitioners were unable to serve their powerful opponents, or where they did, files would mysteriously disappear or reappear after the required filing deadlines had already passed. These issues are well documented in several reports by the International Commission of Jurists ICJ Kenya and other election monitoring groups, where they list the judicial system in this country in the past as having committed several electoral injustices, including, quote, courts insisting that petitions must be personally signed by the petitioner, or where the court has held that a petition must be served personally upon the respondent, such as the controversial case of Mwai Kibaki versus Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi, or courts requiring high security for costs to the detriment of those who are unable to raise the amount, or courts taking inordinate amount of time to dispose petitions, or unreasonable delays resulting in ineffectual decisions and dismissal of petitions on grounds of technicality, end quote. And therefore, a case such as this one before us begs the question, are these misadventures and misapplications in our past eradicated by our transformative constitution, or are they still lurking menacingly within the corridors of justice?
She, however, agrees that nullification of Kidero's win was unwarranted as it was based on the violation of Waititi's individual rights but did not call into question the validity of the vote. Kidero, who was accompanied by a host of ODM leaders, including party leader Raila Odinga, has welcomed the ruling, which was keenly followed by hundreds of supporters. I'm Anita Ndero for Capital TV.